Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Abdul Khan. I am 27-year-old. I belong to Meerut City. As far as my work experience is concerned, I have completed 3-year internship from Manoj and Madan in Meerut City under supervision of CA Madan Pal sir. I have working in various area like accounting, auditing, taxation, etc. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have done MCOM LLB. I am also pursuing CA course and ACCA course. Under CA course, I have complete Group 1, CA Inter Group 1. Under ACCA course, I have complete knowledge level. Under skill level, I have exam 2 paper, corporate business law and taxation. As far as my family background is concerned, apart from my parents, I have 2 older brother and 1 younger sister. My both brother are engineer. My father is contractor. My mother is homemaker. My strength is that is learn from any atmosphere. My weakness is that is I am cannot say anyone if ask me for help. That's all about me. Thank you.